Hi guys, Steph here. Hey, yes, the first video for quite a while. Hey, before we get into the video, rather than tell you at the end, I'm going to tell you at the beginning now. Please subscribe to the channel. Also, down below there, press that thumbs up. A lot of you people say, yeah, I love the videos, Steph, but you don't give me the thumbs up. So don't be shy. Give me the thumbs up. So, what we've got for you here is a gorgeous Lamy fountain pen. And this one is the Lamy 27. To be more specific, it's the 27EM. Okay, in lovely condition, as you can see there, in classic black. The size of the pen capped is approximately 134 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's around about 11.5 millimeters in diameter. It's got lovely clear imprints. If we show you, there you go. You've got Lamy there, Lamy 27, and then somewhere on the bottom, if I can look over the camera, yep, I think there it is. Okay, you've got 27EM. Okay, now the E, I believe, means this particular one, as you can see, comes with the plastic cap. There's also a N model, which has a metal cap. The M, I'm just assuming, nice and simple, it's a medium nib. You can see it's got this quite a large gold band to the cap. It's got the Lamy clip there with the Lamy word written to the sort of bottom or the middle there, and it's got this sort of peaked finial to the very top there. All the trim is gold plated, and this one is a piston filled fountain pen. I don't know if it's obvious or not, but made in Germany circa around about 1952. So yeah, I'm not a big Lamy fan, but this one is very nice indeed. There we go. If we take off the cap there for you, let's give you a couple of it sort of twirls for you. Now this particular pen is actually going to the customer. It's going overseas. The customer actually reserved it, believe it or not, at the beginning of the year, but because recently I've had commitments, I've not been doing any pens, I've only just, well, managed to finish the pen. I've actually fully sort of serviced it, cleaned everything. So yeah, it'll be going overseas to the customer. This one, and he also ordered another pen, but as you can see there, it's got this ink view sort of window to the top of the barrel there. And if we actually just, there we go, if we unscrew the blind cap for you, you'll see the piston, there we go, moving inside the barrel. So it's a piston fill fountain pen. You can see it's got this sort of slightly semi-hooded nib, a 14 carat or 585 nib. There we go. There's the feed. Okay, I believe it may have been a competitor for the 51, this particular pen, but all in all, a very nice. I'm quite surprised. It's a lovely, lovely pen. As I say, I'm not a big fan of the modern Lamy pens, but yeah, I quite like these vintage Lamy pens. So there we go, the Lamy 27, as we've just mentioned briefly with the cap. They came out in sort of different variants as well. Whether they came out in different colours, I'm not 100% sure. But once again, a very nice classic pen. And as I said, ordered by the customer beginning of the year. He asked to reserve this particular pen, and he also asked to reserve this pen here as well. Okay, and what we've got here is a Pelikan M150, what they term as the old style. There you go, you can see the logo to the top. It's got the very classic Pelikan clip there. The cap ring has West Germany to it. And once again, a lovely classic pen. The size of this one is 122mm capped and 11mm in diameter on the barrel. And once again, for you that don't know, well, as it says on the clip, made in West Germany. So once again, take the cap off for you, show you the pen. This one also has been fully serviced and cleaned. This one comes with the Pelikan nib, as you can see there. This is a gold-plated medium Pelikan nib. There's a sideways view. There's the feed for you underneath. And once again, if I turn the blind cap for you here and you watch the ink view ink view window there, you can see the piston is in full working order. So another classic German pen. Very nice indeed. So there we have it. Very brief on the Pelikan M150. Let's pop it next to the Lamy. And what we've got is two classic German fountain pens. And as I said, now ready to go overseas to the customer who's been waiting quite a while for these pens. So sorry for the delay, but they'll be on the way to you very, very soon. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you've enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Don't be shy. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini. And from these two gorgeous pens, bye-bye for now.